Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on HP Victus 16. In order to take a screenshot, you can find a print screen button in the top right corner of your keyboard. In different languages it may be a bit different, but in most of them it will be the English name, the PRTSC, which stands for print screen. Click on that and it'll open the snipping tool. In the snipping tool, you can select either a screenshot or a screen recording. Then you can select a rectangle, window, full screen or freeform. And I'm gonna show you all of them. So the rectangle, first you can just select an item to screenshot. You don't need to click on the notification because it's copied to clipboard automatically, so you can just paste it anywhere by clicking on Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste it, or by right clicking somewhere then clicking on paste, but I won't have it here. Although if I go to Paint, then I would probably be able to paste with the right mouse button, you will also have it saved in the File Explorer as you go to Pictures, then Screenshots. And here are all of your screenshots. You can see this is the screenshots that I have taken. And now let's get to the next thing, which is the Windows screenshots. So I'm gonna open the File Explorer just to have anything to screenshot. Then hover over the window that you want to screenshot, it'll highlight itself and click on it and it'll be screenshotted. Then you can also click on the notification because it'll let you quickly draw on that picture or frame it. So you can just cut it and crop it. Then you can draw on it as well. And later on, you can either save the edited copy or copy the edited copy and either just send it, paste it, do whatever you want with it. The full screen screenshot is pretty intuitive. Just select the full screen option and it takes the screenshot right away. Then the last one is the freeform. I don't really understand the purpose of it, but you can actually draw the shape that you want to screenshot and it'll screenshot it in this exact shape. And these are all of the screenshot settings, screenshot options on HP Victus 16. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.